Good afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another video for Advanced in Car. So today the boys have been working on this 2019 VW T-Cross. I'm sure if you follow us on social media and especially YouTube, we do lots of front and rear optical parking sensors across the Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda range. Especially for Volkswagen, we do a lot of Polos and whatnot coming from the main dealer. This is a localish couple that have come to us with this T-Cross, and although it's a modern car, it's got quite a few blind spots when you're trying to park and manoeuvre. So we have fitted the genuine optical Volkswagen front and rear parking sensors. They're flush, they're colour coded, wiring gets routed to the front, gets connected into the body control module for data. We then fit a buzzer, and at the front, a lot of the newer cars now don't have colour coded front sensors. They have bumper or grille mounted front sensors in their own custom mounts. So as part of that as well, that comes with all the plastic fittings to allow for that sort of factory feel and finish. But of course these are retrofitted. They're not being fitted by a robot down the production line. They're being retrofitted, which means both front and rear bumpers have to come off, which takes manual time. Apart from that, once the wiring has been installed and put in, there's a new button that's fitted on the dashboard, and that new button is what we call a manual switch, because not every parking manoeuvre requires reverse gear. So if you are edging up to something or on a hill and you don't need to go into reverse gear, that manual switch allows you to turn on the parking sensors. And if the car came from factory with a reversing camera, that would also engage that too, for sort of comfort feature. It's all about seamless integration. With all of the Volkswagen or VAG genuine equipment that we supply and fit here, you get 2 years warranty for peace of mind. And the boys have done an excellent job. So we're ready to hand over to this customer and give him and her a lovely set of front and rear optical parking sensors that will then display up on their media system, and it just means that it's effortless because you can adjust the volume, adjust the pitch, and see exactly what you're doing with the trajectory lines up on the screen. So join me inside quickly, we'll just show you it and see what it looks like. Okay, right, sat in the front seat. I'm just going to turn the system on now, and a lot of the Volkswagen head units all look very similar. This is the standard app connect, not the navigation system. But either way, as soon as you put the vehicle into reverse gear, this is a manual gearbox, so you've got the trajectory lines. So if I was to move the steering wheel now, these trajectory lines would move to show you where your car is going to end up. Then if we take the gearbox out, it automatically then turns to the front because it knows that we're not in a reverse gear, but we could be in drive or neutral in an automatic gearbox. Also up on the display here, you've got the ability to mute. So if, for instance, you're hovering or parking but not moving, you can adjust or mute the sensors like so. And if you had a reversing camera, that would also show up on here. Now, as you can see with the graphics on the front here, the front range is much shorter than the back, and I would say probably a little bit more narrow, and that's just because of the fact that the car, when you are reversing into a space, the front end will splay out, whereas the back of the car is what you're protecting most because you can't see it, you're sat facing forward. If we put the car back into reverse gear like so, you're going to get the audible beep in the background. And because we're not up against anything wall-wise here, it's nice and quiet. And when you hit the car menu on the right-hand side, there's a little settings icon in the bottom right-hand corner, and you can simply now select parking and manoeuvring, which wouldn't have been there before. So the boys, as part of the coding, because it's all genuine equipment, have activated this menu. And in here you have the very top function, which is activate automatically. You can choose to enable or disable that, and what it basically means is if you pull up too close to the car in front of you at traffic lights or roundabout or anywhere else in a car park, then your parking sensors will automatically come on, which is quite a nice feature. And then you've got things like front and rear volume and the rear and the front tone settings. So if you didn't like the pitch, or it wasn't loud enough for your ears or your hearing, because we all have different levels, then you can adjust that to suit. And then in the bottom here as well, there's a few other bits and pieces. But realistically, when you've got genuine front and rear parking sensors with seamless integration, they're there to protect your bumpers so that you don't have to have costly repairs. So that's it, 2019 VW T-Cross, and this now has front and rear optical parking sensors, retrofitted, leaves us with 2 years warranty. So website links in the bio. If you've got a vehicle like this and you're interested in a product like this or any other product, please do get in touch with us via the contact form on the website. And thank you for watching.